Guys, you see that light right there? That is a Boeing 747. It's a Boeing 747. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so loud. It's a Boeing 747. Oh my god. Those lights are literally a Boeing 747 cargo. It's freezing cold, but it's for the greater good. Let's go up here. Oh my god. Wait, just a little bit. Oh my god. My hands are freezing right now. I'm doing this for you guys. There's a Boeing 747. Can you guys see it? The light. Oh my god. It's a Boeing 747. Guys, I can even see the tail of it in real life, but oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I can't process this, dude. Oh my god, this is so cool. Boeing 747. You can I finally got one after not seeing one for 1.5 years. Whoa.